So by learning in Canva how to upload images, it can be something very helpful as a Canva beginner. You're starting out right now, learning Canva, learning how to upload images can really improve your skills, because using images in Canva already has a great library of images, but maybe sometimes you want to add your own images. So that's why learning how to upload your upload images in Canva can be very helpful. So let's click on create a design. And here I'm gonna want to add some images for YouTube thumbnail, let's say. And now there's actually two ways to upload images in Canva. The first method, we can drag and drop. So I'm going to show you right now. So now I have a folder open here. I can click on this image. I want to drag this image. Click on this image and hold while you're clicking. You're holding the click and just drag. And while you're doing that, here drag, you can see right over here that you can see the actually files formats that are accepted in Canva. So this can be very helpful. So let's see, this one, files, we can see all the files that are all allowed in Canva, all the images formats that are available, or that not available, but that are allowed, and also videos formats that are allowed, and also audio formats. So now if I drag this image here, you'll see how this image is loading here. And now probably you notice that we have a tab here where we can click on. So let's say we're an element and we click on here in this uploads. That's that second part, or the second method on how you can actually upload your images in Canva. You can also click on here. You can click on upload file, and if you click on upload file, then when you click on this, from here you can select the image, just select the image, click on open, and now you can just simply, the picture is loading, and now you have this picture. Now of course you can upload any file you want, as I showed you. This is just an example image, but you can upload a video as well. So now you can work on your design. After you have your own image, maybe it's a logo, a banner, something that you need to upload the image, even though you have a lot of images, videos, graphics, anything you want in Canva, but sometimes, or so many times, you want your own image, of course, to upload in Canva. You also here have, you can also upload image from Facebook, from Google Drive, from Instagram, from Dropbox, or from Google Photos. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.